I'm Adnaan, a proud graduate of CGC Janjeri. Today, I'm delighted to share my incredible journey and heartfelt gratitude towards this remarkable institution. Securing my dream job at MWIDM with a stunning package of 6 LPA was not just a personal milestone, but a collective achievement made possible by the unwavering support and dedication of the CGC Janjeri placement cell.
Good evening. My son Adnaan Farooq is studying at Chandigarh Group of College, CGC Mohali. His confidence and performance have improved significantly. If his career or future looks bright, it's only because of you. If life is going to be a bed of roses for him, it's also because of you. We are really grateful to you for your support. Thank you.
From the very beginning, the training sessions, the mock interviews, and personalized career guidance has helped me a lot in securing my professional goals. I am immensely grateful to the CGC Janjeri for creating an environment that fosters growth, learning, and excellence. This institution has not only provided me with the excellent education, but also with the tools and dedication for securing my professional goals. Thank you CGC Janjeri for believing in me and for your relentless support throughout this journey. I am a proud alumnus of this prestigious institution and will always cherish the goals and experiences gained over here. Thank you.